Alrighty, it's time to start renovation process. We'll start with renovating the trolley of the rear suspension. So current state is like this. It's pretty rusted. We'll use these thingies and then some anti-rust chemicals, and then just paint it black as it was previously. Then what will need to be done is removing the residue from the gas tank. So we'll use it using some kind of extraction fuel and basic sponge. So let's begin with a trolley. Well, this one is much better. It's time for some small tests, so I'll start with this extraction benzene, so extraction fuel basically, to remove any leftover from the rust. Then the rust remover, and also preparation for the paint job, and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so everything is covered in anti-rust protection chemical. We let it dry and paint it black with some special paint for the underbody, and yeah, it will be painted black by Rolling Stones.
Yeah.
And what you gonna do? Are you gonna take care of the fuel tank?
I think so. I think I need to.
That's cool. Alrighty, so this is the progress so far. We have the bottom part of the trolley, well, maybe not rust-free, but enhanced from the beginning status. All the thingies, all the parts inside also have been covered with the rust removal chemicals and painted black. And right now we'll try to do upper side of it. Okay, so Filip is removing the hood.
Uważaj, bo jak teraz to ten, to tam wy... Weź i z tej strony.
Alrighty.
Ja trzymam.
Ja też trzymam. Removing the hood so it's easier to paint and also work on the engine. Okay, we got this.
Okay.
Where you want it, mister? Yes. Yes. Okay, we have hood removed. So let's continue. Now let's do the top. And once this is dry, we can now paint it off. Alright, so this is done. Looks beautiful, almost like new. Almost, because there's still plenty of rust beneath it. But the coverage of rust removal, doing some mechanical work at the beginning, and also using some special spray, I think it will prolong its life another few years. So let's now go and start with cleaning the tank. Okay, working on the car, working on the trolley took a little bit more time than we expected, so this will be a rather quick episode. But hopefully next week on Friday we'll start reassembling it again. We'll start reassembling it. Reassembling it back again. So that's it. So this is Philip. I haven't said hello to Philip on the camera, so hello Philip.
Hello, yes.
Bye Philip.
Bye,